At Ubiwhere, we compare cities to living organisms. Just like the human body or other natural organisms, a city comprises multiple parts, organs, cells and functions, each autonomously working with its own requirements while simultaneously interacting with each other. And just like the living organisms, cities must evolve and adapt to survive in an ever-changing world. The analogy between the city and the human body has been explored in depth by figures as varied as Vitruvius or Leonardo da Vinci. The urban tissue, a city's heart, arteries and lungs are some of the terms that comprise the extensive urban planning vocabulary that has been created by comparing fragments of the city with the organs or elements of the human anatomy. But what about the nervous system? In biology, the nervous system is a highly complex part that coordinates actions. I don't want to give you a biology class, so feel free to do some fact-checking. However, I can assure you that the nervous system is the part of the body that coordinates the behavior while transmitting signals between the different parts. For vertebrates like us, the humans, it consists of two main parts: the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system. The CNS is the largest one. It includes the brain and spinal cord. It is named like that because the brain integrates all the received information and coordinates and influences all the body parts. Just like a central computer, it processes information from our eyes, our ears, nose, tongue and skin, as well as from internal organs such as the stomach or the lungs. And this is precisely the analogy we share at Ubiwhere, comparing our urban platform with the central nervous system. The urban platform is a cloud solution for smart cities responsible for the collection and aggregation of data, also performing multiple tasks simultaneously to process such information and helping public authorities make decisions, ideally in real time. On the other hand, we have the peripheral nervous system, whose main function is to connect the CNS to the limbs and organs, which essentially serves as a relay between the brain and spinal cord and the rest of the body. Its primary functions are to convey motor commands to muscles, carry sensory information about the external world, and regulate autonomic functions. With this analogy, the peripheral nervous systems can be seen as the widely available infrastructure, such as lampposts, kiosks, cabinets or traffic lights, that are closer to the data sources. I mean the sensors, the mobile phones, the vehicles that move around the city all day. This existing infrastructure is vital to provide the much-needed communication layer for various systems and use cases with different requirements in a city. When there is this need to handle all of this massively produced data efficiently and to respond quickly and effectively, the intelligence layer, typically in a centralized cloud data center as seen before by the CNS, must be distributed at the infrastructure level, at the edge of the network, meaning that it's closer to us, closer to the data sources. Just like when our eyes automatically react to bright light or our skin reacts to temperature changes, Ubiwhere enables street furniture equipment, such as the lampposts and traffic lights, and others to become more aware of their surroundings through sensors and responding to changes in the context through connectivity and computation. For all of this to become a reality, much relies on the development of state-of-the-art connectivity networks and advanced information systems for data collection and aggregation. And all of this is possible. Would you like to know more?